Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. We are here to solve this Thermo Sudoku by German author Jonas Gleim for Sudoku Grand Prix. So Thermo Sudoku is this variant where along such a thermometer, starting from the bob end, the digits must increase in the strict sense. It was worth 54 points, which was fair in my opinion. That's a variant we encounter very often in Grand Prix and in competition in general. And the place to start is generally the longer thermometer. This one has a length 8, so there is 1 degree of freedom. This is from 1 and 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9. Those two-shaped thermometers have a length of 7, so there are 2 degrees of freedom. Those are from 1, 2, 3. Those are from 2, 3, 4. Those are from 3, 4, 5. Those are from 4, 5, 6. Those are from 5, 6, 7. Here this is 6, 7, or 8. And this is from 7, 8, 9. And what we can notice is on this row, the 6, 7, 8 triple. We need 6, 7, and 8 to fill in those cells. So 6, 7, and 8 won't be used anywhere else on the row, so that this is 9 and this is 5. And this 5 now tells us that this is 4, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1. And this in 1 turns this into a 2. That is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here, 8 there, 9 there, and 6 there. So those 2 thermometers were actually 15 given digits. Now let's see the implications. This is not 5, so this can't be 4 anymore, and it's not a 3, so that's 2. This is 1, this is not 6. And I think that's it for this part. Before moving on to this thermometer, let's do some Sudoku. I'm seeing the 2's here. So that this is 2. 9 here, so there will be a 9 in here. Actually, those are 1, 7, 8, 9. So those are from 1, 7, 8. And something of interest is that this digit is not here. Oh, it could be the 3 here, it could be the 4 there. Oh, so that's not so interesting. 1, 7, this is from 8 and 9. And 4 options here, so don't feel like pencil marking that. There doesn't seem to be that many options. It's not about options. There doesn't seem to be that many simplifications in this area. Well, let's move on to this thermometer. Oh, actually 1, 2, 3, 4 on this row. Well, that's also from 1, 3, 4. That's really not so interesting. So let's move on to this thermometer. This here has length 4. That's not very useful. This will interact with that. This has a minimum of 1, 2, 3, and this can't be a 4. If this were a 4, then this would be a 3, and this would have no value. So that has a minimum of 5, 6, and 7, and it's not 8. So this is from 7, sorry, 7 and 9. This is from 6 and 7, 5 or 6, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And this 9 is interesting because 9 is not here, so we need the 9 somewhere there, which means that this is 7, 6, 5. This is from 3 and 4. This can't be a 4 anymore. This can't be a 3. And we get a 3, 4 pair on this row. That's interesting. 8 will have to be here. And actually 7 has to be here as well. This is a 7, 8 pair. This is a 9 together with, well, basically anything could work. Those digits are from 1, 2, 4, 5. So this is a 4. That's not to say this is from 1 and 5. This is from 1 to 5. And those are from 1, 2, and 9. Yes, that's correct. 1, 2, 5, 9, but 5. So those are from 1 to 9. So we get a 1, 2, 9 triple here. This is 3, this is 4. This is 3, this can't be 3. And so this row needed 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 3 and 4 here, so this is from 1 and 2. And we get a 1, 2 pair here. That doesn't seem to be that useful. And this is from 5, 6, and 9. That doesn't seem to be that useful either. This is also from 5, 6, 9. And so 9 is here. Another digit is 5 or 6. The other 5 or 6 is here together with 7 and 8, which is not something to use at this point. 2 and 7. This is from 8, 9. We get an 8, 9 pair here. And the remaining digits here are 1, 3, 5, and 6. So those are from 1, 5, 6. There has to be a 3 somewhere here. This row needs 2, 7, 8, 9. So this is from 7, 8, which interacts with those digits. We get a 1, 7, 8 triple. So this can only be a 6. And by descending along the thermometer, this is 5, this is 4. And this has to be 3. No, sorry, that's not a 3, that's a... What am I doing? This is a 5. And 5 now on this column must be here. That's not a 5. We get a 1, 2 pair here. So this is not 1. And 1 on this column can only be here. So that's a 1. Here this is 6, 7, 8. That's not 6. So 6, 7, 8 here. This is 9, this is 5. 3, 4, and 6 here. This row needs 3, 7, and 8. This is from 7, 8, 9. So now this will basically be Sudoku until we reach the part where this serves as a disambiguator. 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, not interesting. What about this row? Oh, 5, 6 here, this is 1. So that this is 2, 1 here, 2 there, 4 there, 3 there. We complete the row with a 2. No 2 here, so that's 9, that's 1. No 9 here. 7, 8 pair here, so those have to be 3 and 4. 6 here, this is 5, and this is 2. And this column still needs 3 and 6, that's it. This needs 1 and 8. That's not a 6, so this is from 7, 8, 9. In this box, 5 can only be here. Those are from 6, 7, 8, 9. That's not interesting. This column still needs a 3 somewhere here. This is from 7, 8, 9. I need a 2 somewhere here. It can only be here. This is from 7, 8, 9 again. There's a 6 in here. At some point, we will need to address that. Oh, yes, the 1's here. There has to be a 1 here, and this thermometer prevents us from putting a 1 in here, so that's the 1. This is 8, this is 1. Those are from 4, Nine is not here. 9 can't be at the tip of the thermometer, so 9 is here. This is 3. 9 is not here. 9 is not here. 6 and 9 here. Those are 4, 7, 8. By Sudoku, this is 4. 7 and 8 both work here, but now this 4 resolves all of that. This 4 also gives us the 3, so that's not a 3, that's a 3. 7, 8 here, this must be from 6 and 9, and this also be from 6 and 9, so that's not a 9. How do we finish all this stuff? Where is the final part of this? Oh, that's here, 7, 8, so this is 9, gives us 8 here, 7 and 9 there, so 7 and 8 there, 8, 7, 8, 7, 8, 7, this 9, this ambiguates the 6 and the 9, 7 and 8 are disambiguated, and we're left with 7 here, 6 there, 8 here. So there was some work to do on this thermometer. So 54 points was fair, I guess. So there was some work to do, but the thermal part was rather standard, I would say, and it was a nice puzzle. And the 2024 theme that went throughout the whole round was very nice. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon on SudoKanard. Oh yes, this is it.